You having fun playing on Mommy? Please don't take your diaper off. Hi, Mommy.
Hi, Daddy. Jonas likes to come crawl up to me and pull himself up, and then he scratches me with his hands and lays his head down, and he was talking before, and he was putting his mouth on my back. He said, "Raw." Uh-oh. Here he comes.
Oh, no. Aww. Mommy didn't shower today. Careful.
Yeah. It's lethal under there.
I'm about to put you in your pajamas. Yeah. Yeah, you can't use the same hand for two different things at once.
Oh, Mommy's pretty hair. Hi. Hi, Peanut. Hi. How are you? What? Are you going to lay on my face? What are you doing? Yeah, pull yourself up again. Come here. Go ahead. Hey, Daria. Do it. Show everybody. Come on,
Do
baby.
it.
Come here. Do you want love now?
What? Why are you crawling to me?
I want someone to hold me up.
Yay, Jonas!
Naked baby! Naked baby!
Oh no. More material for the courts later. Yay! Woo. Oh my goodness! Let's see just how big Jonas is. Wide angle.
Oh, look, his ribs popping out.
Can you hold his hands? Wow. Time to go get pizza, Jonas.